2 dozen people are celebrating a graduation that took a lot of hard work and dedication, and it's not your typical graduation.
Today, several people graduated from drug, DUI, or veterans treatment court. 2 News Oklahoma's Shay Smith spoke to one of the graduates about the journey before and through the program.
I realized that I had a problem, and prison wasn't going to do anything except for make that problem worse.
Jeff Holden is from McAllister, but moved to Tulsa 5 years ago. Like many Americans, at one point, Holden struggled with addiction.
I have 3 beautiful children, right? Would be willing to take a bullet for any one of them, but I couldn't take a needle out of my arm for them.
But today, Holden is clean and celebrating a milestone. Holden was one of 24 men and women who graduated today from one of the multiple alternative court programs here in Tulsa County.
Phase 1, you come to court once a week. You have 2 or 3 different classes you take once a week. As you gradually go up in phases, like phase 2, you go to court twice a week. You see a probation officer twice a week. The farther you go up, the less and less you have to see them, but the more strict they are on you.
The alternative court program offers those who get arrested the chance to begin drug, DUI, or veteran treatment court instead of doing jail time.
So I just wanted to make a change and actually be a success story, I guess you would say.
In 2022, 98% of the drug court graduates had jobs, and 100% of them got their GED or a trade certificate. After 2.5 years in the program, Holden says he's ready for his next clean chapter.
Now the real work begins, right? So all the things that I learned through drug court, all the things that I learned through the recovery program, Sangha, that I was a part of, now I actually have to really put those to use, right? Because now I'm not checking in with anybody. I don't have to see a probation officer. I don't have to go to court. So now the real test begins on what I've learned, right? And I'm fairly confident that that'll be a very successful ending.
In Tulsa, Shay Smith, 2 News Oklahoma.